Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to tell you about this granny square, and this is super easy. This look very beautiful. You can see the back side also. This is not yarn eater, and you can make cushions, pillow covers, TV covers, tablecloth with this pattern. So let's start our video. Okay, for this square I'm just taking this 4 ply wool, and with this I'm taking this 7 number crochet hook, which is 4.0 mm. Okay, so first of all, to start our pattern we have to make a knot like this, and you can start like this also. This is a very easy way to start our pattern. Okay, for the circle, first of all we have to make circle, this middle circle. So for this we will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 chains. Now in the very first chain we will make a slip stitch like this. Now we have a circle of 4 chains. Okay, now in the middle of this ring or in this circle we will make 12 double crochets. How? Look at this. We will start our double crochets. First of all we will make 3 chains as our double crochet, these 3 chains. Now make 2 double crochets into this 4 chain space or into this ring or circle. Three double crochets. Now make 2 chains as our corner space, as our corner or corner space. Okay, now again make 3 double crochets, continue into this ring. 1, 2 and 3, and make 2 chains as our corner, and again 3 double crochets, and 3 and 2 chains. This is our third corner, and the last 3 double crochets of our last side, I mean fourth side. We need 4 sides for this square. Now make 2 chains, and in the third chain where we started, in the third chain 1, 2 and 3, and in the third chain we will make a slip stitch to complete this first round like this. So we have completed our first round. We just made 4 chains and made a circle, and then we made 3 double crochets with 2 chains. So total we have made 12 double crochets with 2 chains 4 times. Okay, for the second round we will start our pattern from here. So we will start by making 3 chains as our double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we will make 2 double crochets more with these chains into this 2 chain space. 1 and 2. Now we have 3 double crochets here. Okay, now we will make 1 chain and we will make 3 double crochets into this 2 space or in the corner. This is our corner, so we will make 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2 and 3. So this is our first side. For the corner we will make 2 chains and again in the same space or in the same corner we will make 3 double crochets for the second side. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now make 1 chain and again in the next space into this corner or 2 chain space we will make 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2 and 3. And again for the corner we will make 2 chains and again 3 double crochets in the same space for the next side. This is the third side. For starting we will make 3 double crochets in the same corner space. 1, 2 and 3. Now make 1 chain and we are repeating the same pattern to make this second round. We are making 3 double crochets in the corner space and for the corner we are making 2 chains and again 3 double crochets in the same space for the next side. And this is our last side. In the middle we will make only 1 chain and again in the next space we will make 3 double crochets and in the last of this round we will make 2 chains for our corner and in the last 1, 2 and 3. In the third chain we will make 1 slip stitch to complete this second round and you can see the second round of this square like this. Okay, for the third round we will start by making 3 chains as usual. We are making in this pattern as our double crochet. So first we will make 3 chains and again we will do the same. We will make 2 double crochets into this space as we did in the last round and the third in the same space. So we have now 3 double crochets in the corner space. Now make 1 chain and in the first chain space or in this space we will make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 and again 1 chain and in the next corner we will make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will make 2 chains for our corner and again we will make 3 double crochets in the same space for the next side. 3 chains. So we have completed first side, and again we will do the same pattern. 1 chain, 3 double crochets in this space, 1 chain, and again in the next corner space we will make 3 double crochets, 2 chains for the corner, and again for the next side we will start to make 3 double crochets in the same space, just like this. So please complete this third round, and we will meet you just right here. Okay, in last make 2 chains for the corner. After 2 chains we will make 1 slip stitch in the third chain. Like this. So we have completed our third round here. Okay, for the next or fourth round we will do the same pattern. We'll start with 3 chains, 2 double crochets in the corner space. After 3 double crochets make 1 chain, and in the next space we will make 3 double crochets. Again 1 chain, and again 3 double crochets in the next space. 1 chain, and in the next corner we will make 3 double crochets, 2 chains for the corner, and in the same corner space we will make 3 double crochets more. And 1 chain, and again 3 double crochets in the next space, 1 chain, 3 double crochets in the next space, 1 chain, and in the corner we will make 3 double crochets, 2 chain, and again 3 double crochets for the next side. So like this we will complete our fourth round also, and in last we will join our round with slip stitch like this. So we have completed our 4 rounds, and you can increase your square as you want, and the pattern or the procedure to make this square will be same. So this is very beautiful pattern for the especially for the beginners, and in Hindi I can say this is very pyara design, you know. I love this design, so please beginners try this design. I hope you like this video and you like this design, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.